Whipping up a brick, nigga.
Money be my honey. What? Ayy, habit. Ayy, these niggas is what? Ayy, what? Addicts. Yeah, designer be my what? Ayy, fashion, wrist coat like a what? Alaskan. Ayy, money be my what? Ayy, habit. Ayy, these niggas is what? Ayy, what? Addicts. Yeah, designer be my what? Ayy, fashion, wrist coat like a what? Alaskan. Ayy, Subi #9. Vintage Tommy Calvin Klein. Rollie don't tick, so I never got the time. Frames by Cartier, I'm a queen, no solid. Give me the Benz of the Bentley. What? Give me the Benz of the Bentley. What? Yes, I got cake and it's no debate. Paper I chase every day in Chase. Bitches gon' be mad when I pull up in that jag. Bitches gon' be mad when I pull up in that jag. Snakes on my back, but never on my team. Bitch, I chase a bag.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl Glam.Nefercent here, back at it again with the back at it again. And today we are doing a highlighted video. I'm using these 2 packs of this Manic Panic Flash Lightning bleach plus developer 30 developer kit. Okay, so I got both of these on Amazon. I'll leave it down below on how much it was. I think it was like under $12 for each box. So these boxes are popping because they come with the bleach and the small developer in a little container and a brush to mix it up with. So that's what I'm doing here, and it was pretty simple, pretty easy. And guys, this here is a wig made for me by MYLUXURYWIGS. I did do a review, an initial review on the wig, and I just felt like I needed some color, so I wanted to get some color going on this here. And I just wanted to add some highlights, but I ended up like doing like an ombre effect on the whole wig. So as you guys could see, like you guys will see shortly, that the hair takes the bleach very well and very quickly too, but not too fast, but quickly, like you guys will see. And it was a pretty easy, like I really like this Flash Lightning bleach kit. It was pretty cool. If you guys hear anything, I'm sorry, that's my dishwasher going. I'm washing dishes and it's mad loud. But anyway, yeah, so I used both boxes. This here definitely is like really thick, and I wanted it to be like, I wanted the bleach to kind of saturate the hair, so I used both boxes. And I love these boxes. Actually, I went to go buy more on Amazon the other day, but it was sold out. So I will try to leave it down below where you guys can go find it. But on Amazon, where I bought it from, it's sold out, but I'm pretty sure they have it at other places as well. So yeah, as you guys can see, like the hair is lightening up and stuff, which is pretty good. And this is the Kinky, I believe this is the Kinky curly wig that I got. And I really love this hair so much because it takes bleach well. The curl pattern didn't, wasn't disturbed at all. And wait till you guys see the finishing result. What's up, y'all? It's your girl, GlamNefercent here, back at it again with the big get it again. So as you guys can see, this is the finishing look of the hair, okay? So I personally like it. I did give myself some layers in the front here. Did give myself some layers in the front, and this is basically how it's looking. I personally love when I can have color, or when I can add color to a nice black plain wig. You know, I wanted some highlights, so I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna use those boxes of dyes. Now y'all know with everything going on, yes, I have a top on. Y'all know with everything going on, like the beauty supply stores are not open. And if you guys are interested in my beautiful glass wall behind me, then baby, definitely click the link in the description box so you guys could see all of that and hear about how I did it and whatever have you. I really didn't have any complications with the hair. The hair did shed a teeny bit, like a few strands was left on the brush when I was brushing it out and washing it out. As you guys saw, the hair was taking the bleach very well. I personally love this wig. The owner of MYLUXURYWIGS made this wig for me, and it fits perfectly on my head. And yeah, I decided to leave the roots black. And if you guys are interested in these nails I just did, popping nails within minutes, 20 minutes. Click the link in the description box as well. It matches my top, which is super cute. But anyway, personally, I love like black hair that, like black roots, and then the bottom is like highlighted. Like it's not too much, but it's not too little either. Like it looks really good in the sun, and it just looks so good. Like I love it so much. It didn't, and one thing about it, y'all, when I bleach the hair, the chemicals, bleach is a strong chemical, and when I put that on the hair, it didn't affect the curl pattern or anything like that. One thing I can say is you can see the curls more better, which I love so much. Like this reminds me of a cute like Jill Scotty / Janet Jackson kind of like feel to it. Like I just love it. Like, and I love that I put like a little, like I cut it just a little bit. And I cut, like I said, I cut layers only on this side. Like you see, like here, I cut a little bit of layers on that side. And if you guys are interested in my eyes, I did use that new Juvia's Place. I think it's called Wahala for Drama palette, whatever. My baby bought it for me, so I was like, let me use it. And on my lashes, I will leave that down below what lashes I'm wearing. I hope y'all liking my new setting. I am trying to look professional and popping for y'all. Again, I didn't have no issues bleaching the hair. I left the bleach on the hair for about, I'm gonna say like 45 minutes, maybe an hour. I think it was like 45 minutes, and that was it. And it came out like this. I washed out all the bleach. I could have put like neutralizer shampoo so that it can stop it from bleaching, but I didn't really need that because this hair is perfect. Like I really have no issues with this hair. This hair is still soft, honey. It's still soft. Okay, it's still soft. Yeah, and I just put my like curling gel on it that I like to use, and that was it. Like, oh, I conditioned the hair after I put the bleach on it. So I basically did this video to see if the hair can take bleach, and clearly it can. So when you guys do shop with MYLUXURYWIGS, because it holds its curls, the wigs fit great, the hair quality is popping, and it could take color and bleach and all that other stuff. Because some hair I got before from other companies, they cannot take bleach at all. They don't even color. They turn an ugly ass red color. This thing turned exactly the color I was looking for. That was it. I was tired of black, so I was like, you know what? Because I have a whole bunch of black wigs. I was like, I'm tired of black. I need something to brighten up my everything, okay? So I was like, let me just put some color in it, and I hope you guys are liking it because I like it. And if you guys are enjoying this video, if you guys want to see my initial review on this video, on this hair, click the video down below as well. And go use my code, my discount code GLAM, or Luxury Glam. That's my name, Luxury Glam, to get some money off when you're shopping with My Luxury Wigs. Let them know that I sent you and all that other good stuff. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe and all of that. Don't forget to love yourself first and keep it glamming. Glam.Nefercent signing out. Love you guys. Bye.